All right, so now you're ready to go ahead and close this bad boy up. And so the way you do it is you just go the opposite direction. You twist it back this way, set her down. Same thing here, twist this back. And then you can slide those babies there. And these just go back like this. Just like that. You gotta be careful with your little propellers. You don't want to screw them up. You know what I mean? So there you go. Now you can go ahead and put your drone away. Now they have little things that you could put on there. I mean, you could use this old thing like that. That'll keep that on that one. And you could use this part here and just go like that. And then, bam, it's going to stay there. And that will keep your propellers in place. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff with this awesome drone. Peace out.